Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another one. I am getting back from a little lunch date or whatever outfit, so that you can see a little bit of the outfit. Ooh. I'll set it on both sides. Okay. Yeah, so that's trash that needs to be taken out. But I'm getting back from a quick date. I got a beautiful bouquet, so let me show you guys. You know, I wanted all roses. I wanted a big one, but of course they ran out of roses. Roses are such a rare find. It seems like everybody loves roses. So yeah, he got me the last bit of roses left, and they made a little bouquet, and I was gifted this. So yeah, it's gonna be like a statement piece on my table until tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing a family dinner, which is nerve-wracking because I have not cooked for so many people, but I'm gonna do it this time. Hopefully, fingers crossed, everything comes out perfectly and everything tastes great, because when you're cooking for a larger group of people than you're used to cooking for, obviously the anxiety kicks in a little bit. You don't know if the flavor's gonna hit, but I have a lot of faith. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Everything's set for tomorrow. I have the whole theme, or I don't know what you call it, the accents for the actual, like, you know, dinner party that I got going on. I'll show it here because my family probably won't see this until after it's posted. So I'll show you the setup and the idea and the concept. One second. We have this beautiful wreath that I got from Home Goods, and that's going to be like the centerpiece on the table, and then there's going to be a plate in the middle that's going to be sitting on this, and I'll show you that one second. This is the gold centerpiece that it will be sitting on, so it's going to look like this. If you catch the vibes, if you're getting the vibes, so it's going to be gold, kind of like gold, like French European style, very like pretty, very like royalty, very like luxury, you know, elegant, all that good jazz. So this is how the food's gonna sit on top of this, and this is gonna be a centerpiece. And we have two beautiful candles. I'm gonna show you it because you have to like really see it to really get it. So these are the two candles. They're beautiful sculptured candles. Let's see if it'll focus on it so that you can really get the details of the candle. I don't know if you'll be able to. Yeah. I don't know if you'll be able to, but it's two women sculptures in their candles, so I can light them. I don't know if I will, because, you know, there's going to be some kids around. We want to keep it safe. But if the moment allows it, or if the event, like if it allows it and everybody's, you know, under control and stuff like that, then I will light these. Obviously they're going to be on the sides of the centerpiece that I just showed you guys. You get the vibe? You get the vibe. And then I have this really long piece. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, honestly. Oh no, my camera's gonna die. I hope it doesn't die. But it has the gold hardware, the silver. Why not mix it up? It's not the end of the world if you mix it. This is gonna be for, I don't know yet, but I'll figure it out. I'll figure it. I like it. If not, if I don't end up using it, I can always return it. But I hate returning things, and I do like this piece, so hopefully I can use it. Okay, so my camera died, but we're back now. Okay. So we had that long piece that I still don't know what I'm doing with, and then we talked about the forks and the spoons and the knives. So we're moving on to this gold accented bowl, and this is probably where I'm gonna put the Caesar salad in, and just like have it there like on the side, or I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but it's gonna look beautiful because of course we're sticking to the gold theme. And not only does this have gold, but we're mixing metals because it has the gold accent and then the silver still going. So, you know, really cute, very. I will pick up the camera a little later. So, bye. Hey guys, and we are back. I am dressed up, looking cute, hair done. I spent the last 2 days doing hair. Ooh, focus, baby, focus. So yeah, hair done, silky, sleek back. Top, I have a cute little skirt on and some tights, and I'm about to throw on some heels. I'm going out tonight. I'm going to enjoy myself. Okay. For the New Year's, I had a bit of a stomach bug and I wasn't able to go out. Quick update. And Christmas was great. It was fun, very laid back, chill, opened up gifts, yada yada yada. And I had a family dinner can't even speak, the year ended. I had a family dinner that I hosted at my house, a bunch of cooking, a nice display, and all that jazz. I did not record that or anything like that because I wanted it to be very personal and intimate, because my family is personal and intimate to me, so I don't really show that on here. But that was good. It was very laid back and chill. So yeah, it's the new year and I'm gonna go celebrate, I don't know, life. And yeah, we're gonna go out. I will check back in when I get home or check back in tomorrow. We are back on our regular schedule of weekly vlogs. So yeah, I got my nails done recently. This time I did not cut them, so they're looking extra long. But next time around I might cut them out. No, it depends on how I feel. Anyways, enough yapping. It's time to go. I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I am chilling and cooling out, just relaxing. I do have a dinner today at Cyrilina's. I did meet somebody the last time I was out and he's gonna take me out to dinner. Let's see how this goes, I guess. I will probably check back in after the fact that I came back from Cyrilina's, because today's gonna be a super busy day. I got so much stuff going on, guys, and I'm trying to stay as productive and on top of it as possible when it comes to my filming, but child, is getting hard. So yeah. Hey guys, and I am back from my date. I don't know if I told you guys that I was going to Cyrilina's, but the food is top tier there. You know, your girl has been there before. The food was amazing. The date went really good. Date number 2 coming up soon. Let's see what it's giving. I don't know, but let's see what's giving. I had a good date. I had a good night. It's super late now. I'm tired. I'm about to wash all this makeup off, get into something more comfortable, and chill out. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm about to run out. I am going to dinner. I have 2 dates set up, so this is gonna be a little insane. But yeah. Tonight is going to be a little busy for me. I don't mind it. Listen, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. So I'm going to enjoy myself tonight, obviously. I hope I don't come back too late. So the first dinner, we're going to do like a taste menu, which is really nice. With the wine pairing. Way up my alley, okay? Because I like expensive things. And then for the next day, he said he has like a wine pairing and menu, whatever. I told him like I'm not that hungry because, child, I'm gonna be stuffed. But I mean, we'll see what we can do. Like, we'll see what we can do. But anyways, anywho, I'm gonna enjoy myself tonight. I look really cute, obviously. Like, the dress. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. The dress. I don't have the heels on because the heels are a bit uncomfortable. And my camera died on me, but my Louis Vuitton, my Christian Louboutin heels, very uncomfortable. We're gonna see how it goes. I will tune back in when I come back. But yeah, guys,